Welcome to Serenity Whispers, your sanctuary for peaceful slumber, where you will find soothing sounds to guide you into the realm of restful dreams. Once upon a time, in the quaint town of Evergreen Valley, nestled between snow-covered mountains and evergreen forests, a sense of excitement filled the air as Christmas approached. The town was known for its close-knit community and festive holiday traditions. This year, however, the holiday season held a special significance for the Thompson family. The Thompsons were a large family, spread across different corners of the country due to career opportunities and life's twists and turns. The matriarch, Grandma Eleanor, had decided that this Christmas would be the year for a grand family reunion. She missed having all her children, grandchildren, and great-grandchildren together under one roof. In the weeks leading up to Christmas, Grandma Eleanor sent out heartfelt invitations, and her family members eagerly made travel plans. The anticipation of the reunion grew with every passing day. Evergreen Valley, already magical with its snow-covered landscapes, transformed into a winter wonderland with sparkling lights, festive decorations, and the scent of freshly baked cookies wafting through the air. The first to arrive were Emily and Ben, the youngest grandchildren. Their laughter echoed through Grandma Eleanor's cozy home as they helped her decorate the Christmas tree. As more family members trickled in, the house buzzed with joy and excitement. Old family stories were shared, and cherished traditions were resurrected. On Christmas Eve, the Thompsons gathered for a heartwarming dinner filled with love and laughter. The dining table groaned under the weight of delicious dishes, each one a family recipe passed down through generations. The air was filled with the sounds of festive music, and the flickering candles cast a warm glow on the faces of those gathered. As the clock struck midnight, a sudden hush fell over the room. Grandma Eleanor, with a twinkle in her eye, announced a surprise. She had arranged for a horse-drawn sleigh to take the entire family on a magical ride through the snow-covered town. Bundled up in blankets, the family set out into the crisp night, the jingling of sleigh bells accompanying their laughter. The town sparkled with Christmas lights, and the gentle snowfall added to the enchantment. As they passed by storefronts adorned with wreaths and decorations, memories flooded back for the older members of the family. The younger ones, wide-eyed with wonder, experienced the magic of Christmas in Evergreen Valley for the first time. The sleigh ride ended in the town square, where a massive Christmas tree stood tall and proud. The townspeople had gathered for a midnight celebration, and Grandma Eleanor's family joined in, singing carols and exchanging greetings. The sense of community was palpable, and the Thompsons felt a deep connection to the town that had welcomed them so warmly. As Christmas morning dawned, Grandma Eleanor watched with tears of joy in her eyes as her family exchanged heartfelt gifts and shared laughter around the fireplace. The house was filled with the aroma of a delicious Christmas breakfast, and the love that permeated every corner made it a holiday to remember. The Christmas reunion in Evergreen Valley became a cherished tradition for the Thompson family. Every year, they returned to the small town, creating enduring memories and strengthening the bonds that held them together. In the heart of winter, surrounded by loved ones, they found the true magic of Christmas, the joy of togetherness, and the warmth of family. The years passed, and the Thompson family continued their annual pilgrimage to Evergreen Valley. Each Christmas brought new additions to the family as marriages, births, and shared adventures became part of their ever-growing tapestry. The town, too, embraced the Thompsons as their own, recognizing them as the family who brought joy and warmth to their snowy haven. As the family expanded, so did their traditions. The Christmas reunion in Evergreen Valley evolved into a week-long celebration filled with activities that catered to every generation. From building snowmen and engaging in friendly snowball fights to crafting handmade ornaments for the Christmas tree, the Thompsons reveled in the magic of the season. Grandma Eleanor, though a little slower now, continued to be the heart and soul of the family. Her grandchildren, who had once giggled while helping her decorate the tree, now took on the responsibility with the same love and care she had bestowed upon them. The house, filled with the laughter and chatter of multiple generations, echoed with the joy of togetherness. The town of Evergreen Valley had also changed with the passing years. New shops and businesses had opened, and the once small town square had transformed into a bustling hub of activity during the holiday season. The Thompsons became an integral part of the town's Christmas festivities, organizing charity events, volunteering at local shelters, and contributing to the overall sense of community. One year, as Christmas approached, a letter arrived for Grandma Eleanor from the mayor of Evergreen Valley. The town had decided to honor the Thompson family's long-standing connection by naming them the Grand Marshals of the annual Christmas parade. The family was deeply moved by the gesture and eagerly accepted the invitation to lead the festive procession through the snow-covered streets. The parade was a spectacular affair, with floats adorned with twinkling lights, marching bands playing joyful tunes, and the townspeople cheering as the Thompson family, bundled up in winter coats and scarves, waved from their horse-drawn carriage. The spirit of Christmas was alive in Evergreen Valley, and the Thompsons felt a profound sense of gratitude for the town that had become an inseparable part of their lives. As the years went by, the Thompson family faced challenges and changes. Children grew into adults, and some members moved away for new opportunities. But the Christmas reunion in Evergreen Valley remained a constant, a beacon of light that brought the family together, no matter where life took them. One particularly special Christmas, the family gathered around Grandma Eleanor, who had reached a remarkable milestone. The entire town joined in celebrating her 100th birthday, a testament to a life well lived and the enduring legacy she had created. Evergreen Valley, now synonymous with the Thompson family's Christmas tradition, unveiled a statue in the town square in Grandma Eleanor's honor, immortalizing her as the matriarch who had brought joy and unity to their community. As the Thompsons looked around at the town square, filled with their loved ones and the welcoming faces of the townspeople, they realized that Christmas, for them, was not just a holiday. It was a legacy of love, resilience, and community that had been passed down through generations. The magic of Evergreen Valley had become a part of their identity, a story of family and Christmas that would be told for years to come. And so the tradition continued, a timeless celebration of the enduring power of love and the spirit of Christmas in the heartwarming town of Evergreen Valley. Decades had passed since the Thompson family became the beloved Grand Marshals of Evergreen Valley's Christmas parade. The legacy of Grandma Eleanor continued to flourish, weaving its way into the fabric of the small town. The once quaint Evergreen Valley had transformed into a bustling destination during the holiday season, drawing visitors from far and wide who sought to experience the magic that had become synonymous with the Thompson family. The Thompsons, now a vast and diverse clan with members scattered across the country, still made their pilgrimage to Evergreen Valley each Christmas. The family reunion had grown into a grand spectacle, with relatives arriving in planes, trains, and automobiles, converging on the town like a festive migration. The descendants of Grandma Eleanor, now spanning 5 generations, carried on the traditions that had been established so many years ago. Evergreen Valley, too, had embraced its role as a Christmas destination. The town square had expanded to accommodate a Christmas market, complete with stalls selling handmade crafts, local delicacies, and festive treats. The spirit of giving thrived as the Thompsons, in collaboration with the townspeople, organized charity events and fundraisers to spread joy to those in need. One year, as the Thompsons gathered for their Christmas reunion, a mysterious letter arrived at Grandma Eleanor's doorstep. The letter, sealed with a golden wax stamp, invited the family to participate in a global Christmas celebration. It seemed that the fame of the Thompsons' legendary Christmas gatherings had spread far and wide, capturing the imaginations of people from different corners of the world. Intrigued and excited, the family agreed to embark on this new adventure. Evergreen Valley, already adorned with its usual festive charm, buzzed with an extra layer of anticipation. The townspeople rallied together, decorating the streets with flags and banners representing different nations, creating a truly international Christmas atmosphere. As the Thompsons welcomed guests from various countries, they discovered the rich tapestry of global holiday traditions. Each family brought with them unique customs, foods, and stories. The air was filled with the melody of carols sung in different languages, and the scent of international cuisines mingled with the familiar aroma of pine and cinnamon. The climax of the celebration was a grand parade featuring representatives from each participating family. The Thompsons, donned in outfits that blended cultures from around the world, led the procession through the snow-covered streets of Evergreen Valley. The spectacle was broadcasted globally, uniting people in the spirit of Christmas across continents. The success of the International Christmas celebration turned Evergreen Valley into a year-round destination for those seeking a magical experience. The town flourished with new opportunities, attracting artists, entrepreneurs, and dreamers who wanted to be a part of the enchantment that the Thompsons had cultivated over the years. The legacy of Grandma Eleanor lived on not only in the hearts of the Thompson family, but also in the hearts of those who visited Evergreen Valley. The town became a symbol of unity, kindness, and the enduring magic of Christmas. The Thompsons, now stewards of a global celebration, continued to return each year, ensuring that Evergreen Valley remained a beacon of hope and joy for generations to come. And so, as the years rolled by, the everlasting Christmas chronicles of Evergreen Valley continued to unfold, a story of love, tradition, and the power of Christmas to bring people together from every corner of the world. The everlasting Christmas chronicles of Evergreen Valley continued to unfold with each passing year, growing richer and more magical with each generation. The town had become a beacon of joy, and the Thompson family had evolved into a dynasty of Christmas enthusiasts who spread love and goodwill far beyond the snowy borders of Evergreen Valley. The family matriarch, now the great-great-grandchild of Grandma Eleanor, was a spirited woman named Lily Thompson. With silver hair and eyes that sparkled with the same joy as her ancestors, Lily carried on the traditions instilled by her great-great-grandmother. As the torchbearer of the family's legacy, Lily decided to take the everlasting Christmas chronicles to new heights. In collaboration with the townspeople and her extended family, Lily conceived the idea of an immersive Christmas experience that would captivate visitors from all walks of life. Evergreen Valley transformed into a year-round Christmas wonderland, complete with enchanted forests, dazzling light displays, and a Christmas-themed amusement park that rivaled any holiday destination in the world. The Thompson Family Christmas Experience, as it was named, became a global phenomenon. Families from across continents flocked to Evergreen Valley to experience the magic firsthand. The town's infrastructure expanded to accommodate the influx of visitors, with charming bed and breakfasts, boutique shops, and cozy cafes lining the streets. Lily, with the support of the town council, initiated an annual Christmas-themed film festival that showcased heartwarming tales from around the world. The festival became a platform for emerging filmmakers to share stories of love, unity, and the true spirit of Christmas. Evergreen Valley's theaters were filled with audiences eager to be transported into different cultures and traditions. The success of the Thompson Family Christmas Experience allowed Lily to establish the Evergreen Foundation, a charitable organization dedicated to spreading kindness and joy throughout the year. The foundation funded initiatives such as building schools, supporting local artists, and providing resources to communities in need. Evergreen Valley had become a hub for philanthropy, and the spirit of giving thrived in the town year-round. As the Thompson family continued to grow, Lily instilled in each member the importance of preserving the magic of Christmas. Family members were encouraged to contribute their unique talents to the town's festivities, whether through music, art, or storytelling. Evergreen Valley's Christmas celebrations became a collaborative masterpiece, a testament to the creativity and unity of the Thompson clan. One year, as the family gathered for their annual reunion, a special surprise awaited them. Lily announced the construction of a Christmas museum that would chronicle the history of the Thompson family's Christmas traditions. The museum would house artifacts, photographs, and interactive exhibits showcasing the evolution of Evergreen Valley into a global Christmas destination. The Christmas Museum became a beloved attraction, drawing visitors from far and wide who sought to learn about the origins of the magical town. It served as a testament to the enduring legacy of Grandma Eleanor and the Thompson family, preserving the enchanting history for future generations. As the years unfolded, Evergreen Valley continued to thrive, a testament to the power of love, tradition, and community. The Thompson Family Christmas Experience became an annual pilgrimage for families around the world, and the town's enchantment extended far beyond the holiday season. Lily, now a wise elder, looked upon the bustling town with a heart full of gratitude. The everlasting Christmas chronicles of Evergreen Valley had become a story of resilience, innovation, and the boundless possibilities that arise when a community comes together in the spirit of love. And so, as the snowflakes continued to fall on Evergreen Valley, the Thompson family and the town they had nurtured over the years stood as a beacon of everlasting enchantment, a living testament to the magic of Christmas that had been passed down through generations.